Hello, third grade, and welcome back. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. Today's lesson is about superlatives. Okay, so before we start with superlative, last week we talked about comparatives. Did you remember when we talk about comparatives? We use comparative when we compare between two nouns. For example, if we want to compare between a lion and a mouse, we use comparative. We say, for example, the lion is bigger than the mouse. The mouse is smaller than the lion. Okay, so when we compare between two nouns, we use comparatives. Another example, if we want to compare between Ted and Ben, we use comparatives because they are two. So, for example, Ted is taller than Ben. Ben is shorter than Ted. Okay, so we use comparatives when we compare between two nouns. Today we are going to learn about superlative. Superlative. When do we use superlative? We use superlative when we compare one noun among a group. Among a group. Okay, so عم بقارن one noun بين مجموعة. Okay, not two nouns. We don't compare two nouns here in superlative. No, one noun with a group, among a group. Okay, هلا this group consists of three or more. يعني إذا كان في عندنا three, this we are going to use superlative. 4, superlative. 10, superlative. Okay, so 3 and more, we use superlative. When we compare between two comparatives. Okay, and I want you to look to these animals. We have a lion, a mouse, and a dog. Okay, so if I want to compare the lion with the mouse and the dog, يعني among a group, okay, so we are going to use superlative. We are going to use superlative because this group is consists of three, so we are going to use superlative. If I want to compare just between lion and mouse, we are going to use comparative. Mouse and dog, we are going to use comparative. But when I compare lion with mouse and dog, okay, I'm going to use superlative. Superlative, okay? طيب, if I'm going to ask you a question. Which animal of them is the strongest? Strongest. Excellent. It is the lion. The lion is stronger than the mouse and stronger than the dog. So lion is the strongest. The strongest. I want you to look at the red two words. The strongest. This is superlative. This is superlative. I'm going to ask you a question. Is the adjective strong short or long? Strong. Excellent. It is short. هلا for the short adjective we are going to add the before the short adjective, and after the short adjective we add est. So before the adjective the, and with after the adjective the short adjective est. So the strongest. The strongest. The lion is the strongest. Don't forget the word the. That is the, it is a friend with superlative. Do you remember the word than? It is a friend with comparative. In each sentence we have than. The same thing with the superlative. The word the, it is a friend with superlative. In each sentence we must have the word the. Okay, so the lion is the strongest animal. The strongest animal. So for the short adjective we add the before the adjective and est. Small, the smallest. Big, the biggest. Long, the longest. Short, the shortest. Okay. Another example, we have three dogs, A, B, and C. Okay. As you can see, they are in different size. Okay. A, B, and C. Which one of them is the smallest? Smallest. Yes, it is A. So A is the smallest dog. So because I'm comparing A with B and C with a group, so بستخدم superlative. A is the smallest. And which one of them is the biggest? The biggest. Excellent. It is C. So C is the biggest dog. Okay. So again, A is the smallest. We add the. and est to the adjective because small it's short adjective. The smallest dog. And the C is the biggest. The and est to the adjective. The biggest. C is the biggest dog. Okay, so A is the smallest, C is the biggest. So why do we use superlative again? We use superlative because here in A, I'm comparing dog A with B and C with a group. C, I'm comparing it with B and A. Okay, so I use superlative. So again يا حلوين, we use superlative when we compare one noun among a group. This group consists of three or more. Hello, we have two cases, short adjective and we have long adjective. Hello, we know that what's short adjectives and what are the long adjectives. Okay, hello, the short adjectives, they are one syllable. Okay, what do we add to the short adjective? The before the adjective, and with the adjective we add est. For example, Lucy is the tallest student. The tallest. هلا with the long adjective they are more than one syllable. Okay, we add before the long adjective the most. The most. يعني beautiful, the most beautiful. Delicious, the most delicious. Expensive, the most expensive. Delicious, the most delicious. Dangerous, the most dangerous. So here we have an example. The lion is the most dangerous. So dangerous, it is long adjective. So we add most the most before the adjective. Okay, so here we have an example. We have Ted, Ben, and John. Okay, they are in different lengths. Who is the tallest boy? Who is the tallest boy? Excellent. Ted is the tallest boy. Excellent. The tallest boy. Okay. Who is the shortest boy? Look at them. John. Excellent. So John is the shortest boy. Excellent. So Ted is the tallest boy and John is the shortest boy. The shortest boy. Okay. Okay, in the last example, we have a torch, it is 8 pound, laptop 350 pound, MP3 player, it is 35 pounds, and the mobile phone, it is 80 pound, 80 pound, okay? Hello, which one of them is the cheapest? Its price is the lowest, the cheapest. Yes, it is the torch. So because I'm comparing the torch with the laptop, the MP3 player, and the mobile phone, I'm comparing the torch with a group. So I'm going to use superlative. Okay? يعني ما بحكي مثلا the torch is bigger than the laptop, the MP3 player, the mobile. No, I'm going to use superlative. So the torch is the cheapest. The cheapest. Okay, type another question. Which one of them is the most expensive? Excellent, the laptop. So the laptop is the most expensive. Because this the adjective expensive, it is long, so we put the word the most before it. The most expensive. And cheap because it is short, the and est. Est. Okay, so this is all about superlative. Thank you.